Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys my top 3 Cardano meme coins 2025 edition. So if you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, you guys know what to do. But keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So right now we're Sunday, January 26th, 2025. We got a pro-crypto administration in the US. A lot is going to be happening in the near future. I think February, March, April, May, mega months for crypto, specifically Cardano. So we saw Solana run due to Trump's meme coin launch as well as Melania. So the underlying asset will go up as a result. So as long as other projects even do well on top of the main chain, the layer one, the layer one's going to thrive. So keep in mind that there's that plus interoperability at play. It's very exciting. So Cardano sitting around $1. And what are the top 3 memes? So there's one specifically that you guys know about, and it's going to be SNEK. So I've talked about this a long time ago on the channel. I believe I did a video before it was even 100 mil in market cap. So if we put SNEK, I mean, I've done videos. What was the first one? How to buy SNEK a year ago. All in on SNEK a year ago. So like if I would have not taken profits, I would have done better. But you know, I made money, so that's a good thing. So top 3 memes, I've done a few of these. So I do know what I'm talking about when it does come to meme coins on Cardano. So right now, looks like we're going sideways. Could break out at any time, but it's probably going to go lower if Cardano doesn't hold up. But there is some news. So the one thing with a lot of meme coins, this one's at $500 million, pretty high market cap. But for a meme, it's not. You got Dogecoin around 50, 60 billion, and some others that are very high. This is by far the #1 meme on Cardano. So, guys, they have a SNEK energy drink in the team. The team is just incredible. Like what they're doing in building is pretty cool. So here's the brand. If you guys look at the memes in the SNEK energy, you could probably order some from the website right now. Comment down below if you guys think the moose should get loose. Maybe chug a couple of SNEK energies and just see how loose the moose gets. So it's already sold out. So I did see these at Rare Evo in Vegas, and they were pretty cool. But guys, SNEK is pretty fun. And by far, it's just the #1 meme. This, I think, will do very, very, very well. Assuming Cardano spikes, assuming that alts really run, this thing's got another 5 to 10x in it. That's what I believe, okay? So here you even got Charles posting, congratulations, SNEK. So there was somebody from the Kraken team. They put out this kind of roadmap. And here you can see this. So listing of new tokens on a previously integrated blockchain. So here you got SNEK right down here. Pudgy Penguin's a new one. So me, that one could do very well. Magic Eden, of course. Sigma, I'm pretty sure it's a low market cap on Solana. So there are a lot of good projects, but SNEK right now, you know, just between the memes, I think it's pretty funny. And here you got Fareed doing a video on that as well. So this is going to be the main post. So it's got a lot of views. Big day for crypto, big day for SNEK. So you got the Kraken exchange. It's a tier 1 centralized exchange. This could bring a lot of liquidity to SNEK. So that's what you want to see, okay? So that's going to be #1 by a long shot. By a long shot. So currently I don't own any. I may get back in. Hopefully that's something that I get to. I'm just trying to hold more ADA, you know, playing a little more conservative now. So the next one on my list is going to be Chad. So let's see if Chad is available here. If not, I have other ways of finding it. So it's Chad on Cardano. So this one is a meme with Charles, and it's of course Charles the Chad, right? So if we go here to Chad, I don't think I even have any in this wallet. This video is just to share with you memes that I think are the best, and I kind of explain why. So This one's smaller market cap. You're looking at 8 mil, whereas SNEK, it's much higher than that. You're talking like 50 times higher. So if you guys take a look at Chad, if assuming SNEK goes nuts and memes pick up on Cardano, this could do very, very, very well. So you got Charles the Chad. So, you know, it's kind of fun. It hits on the narratives. And again, you're already speculating a lot here. But in terms of market cap, 8 mil. I remember when this thing, I wonder if I could go maybe even on the week. No, it'd be longer. But I remember this thing was much lower than a mil market cap. So these are the potential 50x opportunities. So that's what I'm getting at here. 10x, you'd still be sitting under $1 million, under $100 million market cap. So it's pretty common for once meme coins pick up, they can get to the 50, 100 mil. But keep in mind, that's still relatively high. So projects like Cornucopias, other projects like NVL that we follow, they hover around 50 mil market cap and they're real projects. So these are memes. So keep in mind, these are meme coins. Okay. So that's number 2, but I do like Chad. It's definitely a number 2 in my eyes after SNEK. SNEK is still the GOAT right now. Okay. So the next one, speaking, we got BBSNEK. The Moose can type it. So I remember when SNEK pumped. Oh, it's up a lot right now. Should have held. Moose should have held. Moose is always selling too early. So guys, as SNEK goes up, people are going to look for alternatives. I've seen this time and time again on Ethereum, Solana, other chains. BBSNEK fits that nice low market cap narrative. So even higher than Chad now, 9.5 million market cap, this thing could go. This thing's got a 10x move in it, assuming that SNEK does well. If SNEK performs well, right? If this guy goes from 500 mil market cap, it's already been over 600. If it goes to a bill, where do you think the more lower entry, lower price tokens will go? Just instinctually, people that get into crypto, they're chasing, you know, we're all chasing those mega gains. So this thing I bought here, sold somewhere around here, should have held obviously, but when I saw this at, I think it was a couple 100,000 market cap, I was like, you know what? It's got a little bit of room in it. So of course I don't show you guys trades on the channel because, you know, you can get wrecked easily and you got to be swift. So unless I'm going live or something, it's just not worth it. But at the end of the day, BabySNEK has a lot of potential. Let's see if it's even on here. BabySNEK. So there we go. 9.4. It's pretty accurate here. So let's zoom out. Yeah, so it's doing well. And of course, guys, 9.4 mil market cap. This thing can run similar to Chad, but it's also got the SNEK narrative. So keep that in mind. It's got that SNEK narrative. So if you are looking for fun meme coins, these are the ones that I like. If you guys can so kindly, guys, check out the link tree. If you guys want to buy some crypto, maybe SNEK will be listed on crypto.com or Coinbase. Guys can use these links and you can sign up to buy crypto. We also have links for Tangem. So Tangem, I'm not sure if it supports SNEK yet, but guys, use code Moose, save 10% off. There are these beautiful limited edition wallets. If you guys go here, type in Tangem on the channel, assuming you're using a laptop, desktop. I also made a pretty, this video has been crushing it on YouTube, not YouTube, on Google searches. So people are typing in the best crypto wallet. I break it down for you guys. So if you want to know which wallet best suits your needs, I've got this right here. And then you guys go to the link tree, pick up the one that suits you best. So we have Ledger, One Key, and we also have online courses. So guys, check those out. And guys, follow me on socials. We got that down below as well. So guys, comment down below. What are your top 3 memes and why? And that's all I got. So if you want to get loose, subscribe to Crypto Moose.